In this video, we will be covering how to register for classes directly with Boise State. In this particular tutorial, we will show how to enroll in classes that require a permission number. Let's begin by navigating to My.BoiseState.edu. On the main page, you will enter in your login information. If you've forgotten your login information, you can reset or create a password in the bottom left-hand corner. If you do not have the information to reset your password, you can email ceadvising@boisestate.edu. You will then want to navigate to the Student Center. This takes you to the Student Center main homepage. If this is your first time logging in to the Student Center for the term, you will want to start by checking if you have any holds or to-do items. You can check by clicking on the task tile with the exclamation mark. Students are required to submit a financial agreement for the term they want to enroll in prior to registering for any classes. You will want to start by selecting Begin Agreement and then clicking the Next button. You will be asked to review if all of your address information is correct. Make edits as needed and hit Confirm and Next. You will do the same for the steps for your contact information. You will find the agreement on the final page. Read through the agreement. When you are finished, click Accept and the Next button. A page should appear indicating that you've completed the financial agreement. After completing the financial agreement, you should arrive back at the Student Center home page. Now you can proceed with enrolling in classes by clicking on the tile Class Search Enrollment. To start searching for classes, click on the magnifying glass on the left-hand side. Next, you will enter the term for when you would like to take the class. For many students, this will be summer. Next, you can search for the class you are interested in taking. For many students watching this video, it will most likely be either UF 200 or English 102. However, some other classes may require permission numbers as well. A list of the open courses will appear. It is important that on this page you select the same section number that was given to you with your permission number. Permission numbers only work for a specific section and they only work once. Once you've found the section you would like to take, you will want to click on the arrow on the right-hand side. This will bring you to the enrollment pages. The first page is to make sure you've selected the right course. If it is, go ahead and hit Next. The second page will always appear for all classes, and this is where you will want to enter your permission number. Make sure to leave the waitlist and grade-based options alone. Once you've entered in your permission number, continue by clicking Next. The third page gives you the option to fully enroll or to add to the shopping cart. Continue by clicking Next. Finally, on page 4, you are going to make sure that everything looks complete and hit the Submit and the Yes button. You can confirm that you've enrolled in class by going to View My Classes on the left-hand side. You will want to make sure that the box for enrolled classes is checked and the box for waitlisted classes is not checked. We hope that you have found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, you can always contact ceadvising@boisestate.edu. Thank you.